Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful and easy hairstyles for women over 60. These hairstyles are comfortable, stylish and simple to care for. They are perfect for everyday life and special moments too. At this age, hair often becomes thinner, dry or grey. That's completely natural and beautiful. The right hairstyle can make you look fresh, confident and happy. Let's start with the short layered hairstyle. This is one of the best choices for women over 60. Soft layers add volume and make hair look fuller. It is easy to wash, easy to dry, and easy to style. You don't need much time or products. Next is the classic short bob hairstyles. The bob is simple and elegant. It sits nicely around the jaw or neck area. This hairstyle frames the face beautifully. You can wear it straight or with soft waves. It looks neat and always in style. Now let's talk about the pixie hairstyle. The pixie cut is very light and comfortable. It is perfect for women who want very low maintenance hair. It dries quickly and needs almost no styling. You can add side bangs or soften the look. This style gives a fresh and modern feel. Another great option is the medium length hairstyles with soft layers. This is perfect if you don't want very short hair. Soft layers give movement and shape. You can leave it open or tie it back easily. It is simple and very flexible for daily wear. Let's move on to natural grey hairstyle. Grey hair is beautiful and elegant. A good natural haircut can make grey hair shine. Short or medium layered cuts work very well with grey hair. This choice also saves time and money on hair coloring. Now the short haircut with side bangs. Side bangs are gentle and flattering. They softly frame the face and give a youthful look. They are easy to manage and don't need daily trimming. This hairstyle suits many face shapes. Another lovely style is the soft wavy hairstyle. Looks waves add softness and volume. This hairstyle looks natural and relaxed. You don't need perfect curls. A little natural texture makes it look even better. Let's talk about the short crop hairstyle. This style is neat, clean and practical. It is great for active women who love comfort. It always looks tidy and polished. Very little effort is needed to keep it looking good. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.